Hey, welcome back, artists. I'm going to show you how to draw a really fun character today to add to our Winterland scene. So the character we're going to draw today, we're going to draw a kangaroo. That's right, we're going to draw this kangaroo step by step. Then I'm going to open up a gift or a present, a surprise, add it to our character. Then we add our kangaroo and its surprise item to our Winterland scene. So grab a pencil and paper and let's start drawing. Okay, artists, to draw this kangaroo, we're going to start by we're going to draw a letter K. Now that's just going to be for the face. You're going to need a lot more room for the body and everything. We're going to draw the character's eyes right here on our letter K. Now that we have the eyes, what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little curved line here for start of the mouth, and then another curved line that goes around like this, connects to the bottom of the K. And then we can draw another line here. That becomes the character's nose. And I'm going to draw one more line, goes down to the mouth like so. I like to add these three little dots to both sides. You're doing amazing. We already have a good start of the face. Let's add those ears. So that's what this part of the K is going to be. We're going to draw a loop that comes around like this with another little line inside of it. And then we're going to start here at the end, and we're going to draw another loop like this with a line inside of it. Hey, there you go. We have a good start to the face. Now what we're going to need to do is we're going to add the body. Now, kangaroo has a pretty long neck, so we're going to draw a long neck here and here. And then, for the shape of our body, we're just going to start right here at the end. We're going to draw a curved line. Comes around like so. There we go. We got a good start to our kangaroo. Now remember, it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to mess up. I don't draw perfect. I make all kinds of mistakes in my drawings. And sometimes I just leave them because they actually turn out to be kind of fun for the character. Let's add the character's legs and feet. We're going to draw a big L shape like this. And then we're going to draw a curved line for the top of the foot with some little lines for toes. And then we just finish that leg with a line here. Now that we have that leg drawn, we're going to draw another leg on the other side. Now there's a lot of overlapping, so we just have to hint that that leg is there. So we're just kind of copying some of these shapes, adding those toes. And there you go. We've got the legs, the feet. Let's add some arms. I'm going to draw two curved lines here, and then at the end, we're going to add cartoon fingers. Yeah, we'll draw some cartoon fingers here, and over here we're going to add those cartoon fingers. Okay, we've got a bouncy kangaroo, but it's missing one thing. We need to add the tail. So for the tail, we're just going to draw a line that goes kind of a curved line like so. And then just follow that same line back to the leg. There we go. We've got a very happy bouncy kangaroo. And I bet you can't wait to open a present and see what's inside. So let's do that right now. Okay, let's open this present and see. Oh, a snowboard. Awesome. So let's add that snowboard right here to our character. We'll just put it right like perfect. Now we have a kangaroo with a snowboard, although I do think we should probably add a helmet for safety. There you go. Just like that, we add a helmet. And now it's time to add this character to our Winterland scene. Hey, check it out. It's nighttime in Winterland, and everyone's doing their fun Winterland activities. We have characters warming up by the fire, building snowmen, playing with toys, eating pizza and Arby's curly fries and pancakes. But now it's time to add our kangaroo on a snowboard, and I'm thinking somewhere snowboarding just kind of all over the place. Why not? So I'm going to go ahead and place my kangaroo somewhere in this area right here. Bam. And there we go. We have our snowboarding kangaroo along with all of our other characters. Artists, I hope you had a blast drawing these characters. I know I had a lot of fun drawing them. Hey, check out those 3 free lessons at Harptooniacs. It's my members art site. It's a membership art site. I know you're gonna love it. And I have lots of drawings there that you can't find anywhere else. Hey, and make sure you're back here tomorrow. I've got more characters we're gonna be drawing and adding to our Winterland scene. So
grab your pencil and your paper and